Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So, in our last video, we have explained about what is inventory adjustment in NetSuite and how it works. So, in today's video, we are going to see how it works in the real time. So, we'll just walk through you how it works. So, it will be give more clarity on that. So, before starting, I have a request. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow and join us. So whenever we are uploading a new videos, so you will get notified on that. So you will not miss that video. So once you we upload the video, you will get notified and you will watch and you will get the details from that. So in our last video, we have discussed about that what is an inventory adjustment. So inventory adjustment, just will recap. So inventory adjustment in the sense whenever we are try to maintain in our stock level, like we are reducing some quantity or increasing some quantity manually without any purchase order, entering any purchase order directly, how we can maintain. So let's go to the work. Okay, I will walk through you. So if you don't know what is inventory adjustment, please go to my YouTube channel and find here Switch Stream. So this is my YouTube channel. From here you can find the video in the sequentially video is uploaded. So each and every video you can get and you can walk through on that. So you will get more clarity and you can do the practice once you have completed the videos. So let's start. So first we'll check that item once. So this is one item, item, milk packet, 1 liter carton packet. So here, as you see, there is the two location. In this two location, we have 190 and 50 quantity available on hand quantity. So let's assume that for this quantity when we have received or some like a date expiry something, so in our stock 10 we found that 10 carton was expired today. So how we can maintain that? So how we can reduce 10 quantity in this our stock? So it will show real time. So it will not show average or misconfiguration, like miss wrong items. So for that we have to adjust that inventory level. So for that we don't need to create any purchase order, any order. So just we have to do this manually. This is this feature in NetSuite. So for that we have to navigate to the like transaction, then inventory, then click on inventory adjustment. So once we click on that, so from here we can give the date today's and we can select that subsidiary, then what are the location, from which account we are adjusting, select those account, let's say inventory stock, give some notes like expired quantity or something, then select that item from here. So this is the milk item, just select in which location you are adjusting. So select, let's say 10 item 10 quantity is reduced. So if we are try to increase, then we have to select plus 10. That means no need to put minus. System will automatically capture as consider as a plus. If we are reducing, then we have to select a minus. Once we add this, just we have to save. So once we save, just go back to the item and reload this item. So once we have saved this inventory adjustment, so it's successfully saved with 10 quantity minus 10 quantity. Now here also it will show uh, available quantity or new quantity after adjustment. So same things it will also show here on the item record. So previously it was showing 190. Now since we have adjusted 10 quantity for the damages or expiry, so it system automatically is updated with that location as a 180. So this way system automatically monitor and whenever any transaction is created or anything doing, so automatically system will run in the backend and it will do the adjustment and work around on that. So this was the inventory adjustment, how it works in real time. So this was the live example how we have seen that how we have created the inventory adjustment and how it got reflected on our inventory level. So this way we can learn and explore. So you can also try with the some test environment if you have, then you can try the practice. So that's it for today. So in our next video, we are going to learn about inventory transfer. What is inventory transfer? So in our next video, we are going to learn about inventory transfer. So if you are new here, please subscribe my YouTube channel and join us. Then you will get a latest notification and you can learn easily from there from basic. So that all the videos we are uploading from basic on the deep level, so that will be helpful for you to understand easily and do practice. And once you have done this, just you can also if this content helpful to you, you can add some comments and you can ask if you have any doubt or any question related to this videos, just you can add a comment, then we'll be replying on that once we have received your comments. So thank you for watching. See you in our next video with new topic. Thank you. Happy learning. Bye bye.